Go.
Okay.
Hi everybody.
Hello darling, how are you?
I am here at Nana Central.
Nana Central.
And we just wanted an update to see how you're feeling, Nana.
Oh, okay.
I know you've had a bit of a rough ride and we just wanted to make sure we knew what was going on with you.
Okay.
And how are you feeling?
Well, I'm in the middle of a burp, so and it's not coming out.
It's always a pain.
I know, it's always a nuisance. How are things? Well, I'm feeling absolutely okay. I'm still wishy-washy in my head. And I'm still loving my life, which is wonderful. But I get frustrated now because I can't get things out quick enough. You know,
like burps.
And burps won't come at all. They've totally gone silent on me. But apart from that, it's fine.
Yeah, so Brain Tumour Central, we're still battling on this, aren't we?
Oh yeah, definitely.
No headaches, no nothing.
No.
It's just honestly incredible, Nana. And you're still, you know, from my point of view, everyone who comes to see you, how incredible you are.
Well, it's not incredible. It just so happens that you've got no choice. And actually what is going on is enjoyable. What is a frustration is the fact that I can't really get out what I want to get out. That's what I would like. And the things that I want to get out are now more muddly. So that I find difficult.
So you think it's become a bit more of a puzzle?
Definitely. Yeah,
a bit more muddled.
Yeah.
It is. But you know, to be honest, Nana, you are so inspirational to everybody.
Oh God,
because
I don't know why you think this. It's most peculiar.
Most people think that because you're going through something that's quite traumatic, you know, for most people, and you take every single second.
But I have no choice. I have no choice. What do? You're landed with a nuclear bomb. You've got to clear it.
You're clearing your nuclear bomb. Well, that's a really good point, you know. And you know,
I think that should encourage other people to clear their nuclear bombs too, because frankly, nuclear bombs are in the way.
They bloody are.
They are. They're damn heavy to carry.
So our message to you today is clear your nuclear bombs. I hope governments out there are listening to this, Nana. So what would we say to Donald Trump?
Trump, clear a bump.
Clear.